In this video, we're going to figure out how to use a stem and leaf plot to show how to calculate the mean of some numbers. Okay, so I will explain everything in detail. And let's read the problem. The stem and leaf plot shows Noah's test scores. Use the data in the graph to find the mean of the numbers. And these are the test scores. This is the stem and this is the leaf. And I will go through in detail how to read the numbers. So the first step is to understand that in a stem and leaf plot, the first part of the number is the stem and the last digit of the number is the leaf. Okay? So, step 2. Let's understand what the mean is. The mean is the average of the numbers. So that means you add the numbers together and divide by the number of numbers. Okay? So now let's read the numbers from the stem and leaf plot. Okay? So we could see the first number is 49. The next number is going to be 55. The next number is going to be 57. The next number is going to be 58. So that's how you read it. So 49, 55, 57, 58. Let's go to the next one. 62, 63, 67. And you just keep going until you have them all written down. Okay? The final step is to add the numbers and divide by the number of numbers. So let's add the number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total number is 14. You can also do it this way. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? So let's show the result. So you add up all the numbers. Here they all are, add it up, and they add up to 938. You can just punch those in your calculator. And then you take this number and you divide it by the number of numbers, which is 14. So 938 divided by 14 equals 67. And that's the mean of the numbers. And don't worry if you don't get this whole thing all right away. You could just rewatch the video. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. I also have resources in the description below with links to other videos that are similar to this one if you need a refresher. As well, there's an ebook you could download to follow along the lesson, which might be helpful to you.